What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing Lews, and I'm going to be fishing with gummy worms. That is going to be the challenge for today. It's currently 7:48 in the morning. We'll see if we can get after it. I have a good spot in mind where I always catch big fish, and see if we can make it happen with some gummy worms, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I've made it to the first spot of the day. Every time I come to this spot, I'm always getting murked by waves. It's a little wavy today, but not as bad as it always is. I have two types of gummy worms. I have sour bright crawlers and squiggles. I think I'm gonna start off with squiggles. They're like longer. They're not like as fluorescent, but they're the longer worms, and I think they'll stay on better. So I think we're gonna go ahead and try and start with these. These are good. I'm gonna start off with these. They taste pretty good. I'm assuming the fish would like these. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with these gummy worms. There we go, guys. That's my rig. I don't know, guys. We'll go ahead and try it out and see if we can catch a fish. If someone asks me what I caught them on today, if I catch fish, and I tell them gummy worms, it's gonna be weird. I don't know why there's like 10 bees around me, guys. Like in this area. There we go, guys. First fish on the gummy worm. He's fighting so weird. It's either a really nice fish, but I don't know, guys. He pulled pretty hard. Oh yeah, that is a nice fish, guys. Get her here, buddy. That is one nice fish. Get in the net, get in the net. Biggins, guys. Holy crap, guys. Look at that chunk on the gummy worm. I don't even know where it went. That is absolutely nuts, guys. On the gummy worm. Not disappointed at all. Yeah, guys, close to a 2.5 pounder. Long fish. Not too bad. Healthy fish on the gummy worm. Go ahead and get a release on this guy. Fought so hard. There he goes. Let's see if we can catch some more on the gummy worm, guys. Not bad at all. Yeah, guys, this is all I'm going to fish with for today. Just gummy worms. Nothing else. Let's see if I can land some big ones. There are big fish here, guys. I know that for sure. Keep fishing with the gummy worm. See if we can catch any more. On the green squiggly, guys. That feels like a nice one. I'm not gonna lie. He's running towards me. Let him fight it out. Yep. I can't tell with these fish sometimes. Yeah, it's like a pound. It's kind of hard to tell whether they're big or not. They've been acting kind of weird lately. Yeah, get in the net, buddy. There we go. Second fish on the gummy worm, guys. This one was on a green squiggly. I changed up colors. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not a bad one on the green squiggly. Wow. Gummy worms getting it done today, boys. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. Oh, what a cast. Nice. Right in the same exact spot. I'm just gonna reel it in. I don't even care at this point. Am I getting bit? That's another fish, guys. Running towards me. No, he spit it out right here. He was up shallow. I mean, like 1 foot of water. Third fish of the day. Gone. Lost him. Alright, everybody. That is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day at all. Caught 2 fish in total. The first one was about 2.5 pounds. The second one was a little smaller, about a pound or so. Usually around this area I catch around 4 fish or so, but considering I wasn't using a Cinco or plastic craw, makes sense because I was using a gummy worm that had like no action. But the fish seemed to bite either way. But it was a pretty good experience catching fish with gummy worms. Now I can say I've done it, and it was pretty cool. That being said, that is going to do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.